Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a recipe for Southern style Instant Pot black-eyed peas. Smoky, savory, and packed with flavor in a fraction of the time it normally takes. And I'll show you how to build slow-cooked flavor in the Instant Pot without simmering these peas all day long. For this recipe, you'll need dry black-eyed peas, fresh minced garlic, chicken bouillon powder, bacon grease, cooked bacon, water, onion, and olive oil. Begin by dicing the onions, then set them aside. Next, slice the cooked bacon into smaller pieces and set those aside as well. Now set the Instant Pot to saute on high. I usually set the timer for about 15 minutes just so I've got plenty of time to build the flavor before pressure cooking. Pour the olive oil into the Instant Pot and let it heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. Once the oil is hot, add the onions and saute them just until they begin to soften. This step helps build the flavor base for the black-eyed peas before everything pressure cooks together. Next, add the fresh minced garlic and bacon grease. Continue sauteing for another couple of minutes just until the garlic becomes fragrant. At this point, the bacon grease starts coating everything and adds a lot of that classic Southern flavor. Now stir in the chopped bacon and let it heat through for another minute or two as well. As the bacon warms up, it releases even more flavor into the pot. Once everything is combined, stir in the chicken bouillon powder. Then pour in the water, followed by the dry black-eyed peas. Give everything a really good stir to fully combine. One thing I like about using the Instant Pot here is that you don't have to soak the peas overnight. The pressure cooker handles all the work for you. Don't forget, you can always check the description for ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and the full recipe link. If you love comfort food recipes like these Southern style Instant Pot black-eyed peas, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell so you don't miss future recipes just like this one. Now press the cancel button, secure the lid, and set the Instant Pot to pressure cook on high for 16 minutes. Once the cooking cycle is complete, allow for a 15-minute natural pressure release. That extra time helps the peas continue to soften gradually and keeps them from splitting apart too aggressively. After the natural release, carefully release any remaining pressure and remove the lid. At this point, the black-eyed peas should be tender, flavorful, and surrounded by a rich broth. Give everything a good stir before serving. If you'd like them a little thicker, you can mash a few of the peas directly into the broth to help tighten everything up. Serve the black-eyed peas immediately or place the lid back on and leave the Instant Pot on the keep warm setting until you're ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your black-eyed peas turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.